And that's saw the fight against Galamsey na busia. Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi, a GoldBod president, as the GoldBod CEO. Abekasa. Now, wabe Canada to Ghana for. Hey, that's a very crazy. Sammy Gyamfi, abe Canada to Ghana for no more. Oh, I GoldBod no. Omuna e promote Galamsey. We say omuto gold no. If you Galamsey for no. Oh, Sammy Gyamfi abekasa. Wa wana adwen to Ghana for. Me ma ntiri mu no akere wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so say need mu. Obe like video no that my subscribe button, somebody click the notification call for latest update. Somebody tell why you dey amame. Ewo comment section. Me so baso no wa share no for so anya bi ahwe. Eya na man photo we have the Penyah. Argentina say we tie NDC for sir. Listen to me. Me tie NDC as a party there. Me tie obi a. But me nature me chini entro. Me chini entro. Nipa opese o say will be dini. E depend munyam. Me dwa sankwasi asem no. Me dwa. When it comes to this issue of Galamsey, NDC for ya no den aye deda magana for ni bi anya adwen bi say Galamsey started for the past 8 years. 80 there was even 80 Mahama Kura meeting the press anu address Galamsey no. Or it to say oh Mercia, you say, you did 8 years. I create no. On to me for a few months and as a few moments to be clear off the mess.
I never expected or I never deluded myself that the fight against illegal gold mining or Galamsey was going to be an event. I mean, definitely, there's no magic wand. The decay has eaten so much over the last 8 years that it's going to take a lot of work to be able to overcome it. And I didn't expect that in 18 months we would declare victory in the fight. As the livelihoods of about 4 million Ghanaians.
For the past 8 years, you know, MP for the Galamsey asa or mine, it only owns me for just few moments. Clear, stop a Galamsey. Any idea? The Emma even Sammy Gyamfi crowd eka that same way be. So Mercia, idea tina have national cancard for the past 8 years, you know. Yent me for few days be and stop it. It just a omu kasa Emma ne yese Galamsey by MPP time. Meanwhile, in the history of Ghana, the first time one Galamsey for enya kukodro the chamfine ebo my Ghana mu. Edi ko si ensuo so anu mu tu Galamsey happen under Atamis time 2010 ana Galamsey for nya akukuduro e de chanfan bo wuro oman mu e de go si ensuo so anu mu tu Galamsey tu se e wo ensuo so e ma no kura no 1st September 2011 Atamis e be kan ho asem ana o sun se da bi yenyai na emwaye.
We have to tackle the issue of Galamsey rather seriously. Let's see how we can solve that problem, because this is a clear indication of some of the effects, yes, of Galamsey.
Far from being tackled, Galamsey is now so widespread. Miners are moving onto the river itself. Strange new boats are appearing that can suck up silt from the riverbed, sidestepping the need to dig pits along the riverbanks. But the constant churning has turned once pristine waters murky brown. The shorelines are scarred, cocoa plantations crushed by the heavy machinery that is dragged across them.
This is a kind of distraction that we see in the society.
What I say? Atamis ye interview 2011 1st December. But NDC for the almost the asset just 8 years ago me and a Galamsey beji at say Ghana ha no. Atamis time na so na start say ni 4 years ago we went to stop Galamsey. Mahama ebetena so 2012 13 14 15 16 4 years went to stop Galamsey. In the time and excavators as I say eba Ghana ha no. In the time excavators as I say eba Ghana ha the two Galamsey went to stop it. But some Kofi Bentil said I say when it comes to Galamsey they are angels. As a Galamsey by MPP for time. That nonsense it must stop. As you say, and the BBC no. I'm many new party no hoda because I'm trying to do so. Yen say will be didn't pay when you too much and trono a dozen. There is this issue of Galamsey no. Only we say you got 24 election no. Mahama gyina platform so a na ɔka ɔba MPP n'akyi so Akufo-Addo will 2 minutes stopping Galamsey. When it comes to the fight against Galamsey, MPP has failed any ade on that same instance, you know. Na NDC for no so na masie any nam Galamsey site. Promise you omo say omo ntoma Mahama, no ntoma Mahama, adwuma no o ebekọ so.
Na ona na kasa ase no ma wo bia. Since am hu no ha no, obehunu say the land in the city. Obeka na meboa after on the 11th, that way on the 7th no. And she say ya wo ho e de mam because no one better akọtena ho. Say the be ya yenu anu bre o mo adwuma che kakra. Mo so be nya sa ase ni bi. Na so ya sa e de machine so ase si wa ma a obekọ akọ na so dia ba be adwuma na so do krom no nko fo so ayede edi hie enti wo akoto aba no a e John Dramani Mahama e tu direct
Enya no nko a on campaign grounds ya mount platform no mo say agina so promise Galamsey for no say oh montoma ya namto Mahama adwuma he ba be koso
na NDC December 7 yetu abano ama omanpeyi John Dramani Mahama ebe ye president eduma no mo ba koso aye ana wo ba ka Penyah so ana wo ba China for ana wo do wo go to ensure so ana wo say ensure ni na enti so bi ka say ye ma bulu ana wo say ensure wo wo edu samo kaisa Dr. Mahmoud Baomi ana ko China ana ko France ka be wa o metia Penyah so ana wo ni China for no aba and woman transform machine dia ma wo mo and woman to go e wo nsuo no so and this is say ba ya ba come China for ni na
just they were promoting Galamsey that same time no almost say blame MP before for Galamsey na saa do me da ni me be da ni mani ahia enhia da na mu wi a Masa be catch obi say obi na Sano many wani hia da me mani ye twantro David me mani me so trust me so trust now ni baby Mahama betina akonwa so and also ma me fa di be friend GoldBod emra e ma Sammy Gyamfi kwa betirem say GoldBod no eno any aban eku a anu say aban eku a omo ene beto gold e wo oman ni mu nyina obie ni nkwan so to gold except GoldBod. GoldBod nkwan wo tumi say auto gold e wo oman ni mu.
Ti President Mahama say se yenya ban adwuma yoku a ono nkwan na wo tumi say obe den obeto gold. Na wa export sa gold no. Na wa timi regulate that market. Because the NAM say all these state agencies are there. MIF is there, Bank of Ghana is there, PMMC is there, other aggregators are there, traders are there. No. You can't regulate it. And price are called overboard. The trade is no longer profitable. And this one person make it profiting when there was a smuggle. Now make sure the entire amount for smuggle good. What do you say? So this is why you need one entity to streamline that sector.
Emma obetire when say GoldBod it has come to function as CocoBod. O try to cocoa be fi Ghana akwa agoton na na e beti wotum. E di sa na GoldBod aba. Ah gold if wo oman ni mu nyina no. GoldBod ejumeden say ono e de beto gold no. E di say eye illegal minus gold, legal minus gold. Gold bia e fifi o Ghana ha no you to bia de. E GoldBod botens on e beto gold no. Emma entiase eba na we say mu Mahama press conference bi ho na ebusa question say oh okay near when it comes to the fight against Galamsey no how are you going to do with it with the issue of GoldBod because you say GoldBod and to gold ama gold on so to no ebi so free Galamsey for no ho no in that situation no how are you going to deal with Galamsey as same way na Mahama kind
Thing is, you shut the stable door so that the horse doesn't escape, which is what we've done. So if it's from illegal sources, it's from legal sources. At least it's our land that is being destroyed. So let us get the benefit of it instead of foreign trade. So that's the first thing. But if you go and read the GoldBod law, it has a requirement for tracking and tracing. And as I speak, the GoldBod is working with an organization to put on a track and trace system.
Whether illegal miners gold, legal miners gold, Ghana and a benefit. Say you to gold, no GoldBod, you to gold, no Ghana Hanimo. Dance we got foreigners, we have to gold, no. It is say illegal miners gold, see illegal miners gold, they are Ghana and Ninya Sonfaso. When in Samoa, Mahama Ekai. Emma Mahama can we no. Our man for study bomb and the Ghana feel it. NDC government I feel the fight against Galamsey because say na Mahama Abekan there. That's a GoldBod crowd, eto gold, every illegal man is hold there. Any na yenya Galamsey and what's moka. Media and so the generals are hold every ball NDC government no echi. And that's no omode attacking the no come Sammy Gyamfi as GoldBod chairman.
Enti no simple you say a bit say yes see GoldBod buy.
GoldBod ayele.
GoldBod no e buy na sabi. Say but we say e buy na ma e faso sabi o munya no so na ma sabi o man no sikasem no ekui.
Are GoldBod from to Galamsey for good.
Na wo kana man se for na ono akọ agreement no. Ono akọ agreement. Say abani di o mu ebia 5%. Me ye madwuma wi a me de 5% na me de brew. Me gold wo mo babia me pa me gold ko. Omo na omanya 2 minutes kakraka adwuma no mo yo mpa mu yo mo gold be gu pem no mo de ko. Ana me boa. Ete ya na me kase Ghana mo ye nka no kore.
No just GoldBod for to gold organization.
Now
on that to small scale miners for no. Enya mo ho.
Small scale man omo ne hwan mo. Omo ye den. Small scale man for no mo ye adwuma e wo wie man na say omo ye adwuma e service atase no so. Sometimes Ghana no ye mpa de kweka.
Me kan
me tue me kan no kra mo atwam tia me kan no kra mo atwam.
Ni kan ye die hin. Ni kan ye die. Ni kan ye die.
Gold now omo to omo say e hwan mo de.
Galamsey for die.
And the hope is all just say yeah okay Galamsey for adwuma na omo ye no gold no omo so wi a omo kutugu ana. Se obi trimfa ne pen to gold wa enfa full pre fan ko. Enti obi antimi to gold fa ne pen ko star Galamsey for gold no omo wi a omo kutugu ana.
Ndimu ya mre koyi.
Ade enhye na e ba na ade unu Ghana unu yese bia sabi.
No matuasi.
Enhye ba say a GoldBod. Ama me kra me tibi say ye nua panyini Sammy Gyamfi say. Omo sate kra na omo to gold omo enfaso a. E wo so. E di say sa enfaso we. E be ba na otim da siesie wo man a. Ene de be ntina Sammy Gyamfi so wunu utim mon proche adwuma no mon ye adwuma ne na de ese ne de cha no mon ye ne na adwuma ne nyina because say ha say wo be mane wo ha na wo fa gold no wie na wo sie so na wo kata so obi ba ohun say ha ofa bibi wo ha
Ebusiafo
yen ka no kure ma ye ho ntoye entisa o hwa de ye betena ha ama yakwa akọbọ amanfo besia China fo besia na ya ba say ye free bi say ehwa Ghana ye ehwa na che enti amanfo mo kwa brochie ya omo say omo ko sua enimdian fa me sporto o mane dada enti omo kwa omo so da bi omo wie no o maka wa na we nyina ka omo ko sua na mo fa ne ma meta ene ma bi achi na o Galamsey ene hold Ghana me say Galamsey omo pani pa ombrika adwana just 1 month na wo tisi abontin na bi say Galamsey agu 1 month e de na e koso asete mo tisen ene mo tisen ye betena na akwa bobo e besian o China fo no unim ye bobo wi a ye ntimi ntua no na China ni na san ba ka say mo kra besian ka ma say mu ntimi ntua okay say no mo kwae na sika wo mu no ye be say ye de be si pese mo fa ma ye wo say sika wo mu gurum na ye metu na ye mfante ka no wan ye abibifo ye nyansa sometimes da me ka enye obi asabi wako school kwa na wonim nyansa wo
na no ana osi anya Sammy Gyamfi de enu achi no tref for friend for interview say o mechire mu say eye no kure en say auto good e free Galamsey for ho no mo ana say auto good e wo ho no mo when in semu a Sammy Gyamfi e kan enu a
so it is possible that a private licensee of the GoldBod, licensed buying agent of the GoldBod, despite the legal requirements of them buying from only licensed small-scale miners, it is possible that you may get some of them breaching this legal provision. That is why we are introducing the track and trace system the president has been talking about, so that we can fish them out, we can segregate the gold, and we can ensure total compliance with this. So you shouldn't sit there and talk about things he doesn't know. Where did he get that figure 85% from?
Okay, Sammy, since you said your attention was drawn to it, a couple of things. I then would assume that you weren't watching at the time. When he made that statement, yes, I raised queries about that. But then you make a point about you don't buy gold directly from the miners, and that there's a possibility that the licensed gold buyers that you engage would breach the law that mandates that GoldBod buys the gold from only licensed small-scale miners. There's that possibility that they may have bought from illegal small-scale miners that you are not directly aware of and you are not directly engaging. So that's a challenge. So,
my brother, are you aware of any perfect system anywhere in the world? You cannot have a perfect system anywhere in the world. We are saying that, first of all, understand how gold is bought.
Yeah.
Gold is bought in buying offices in district capitals and regional capitals and various towns across the country. Gold is not bought from mining sites. Okay? So when an individual buyer is sitting in his office in Koforidua and somebody brings nuggets of gold or gold in the form of a powder, that individual Ghanaian may not have the technology to detect whether that seller is a licensed miner or not. And it is the responsibility of government to put in place the systems that will ensure that that buyer is able to trace the source of that gold. I am saying that Kofi Bentil's friends were in power for 8 years. They started gold purchases under Gold for Oil and Gold for Forex. They did not introduce any such system.
Okay.
We, in less than 9 months, are introducing that system that will allow these individual licensed buyers of the GoldBod buying gold for us to be able to detect the sources of the gold they buy.
So the traceability is what you are introducing.
Any objective person, Alfred, will comment. And you will not come and say they're throwing figures around.
So the traceability...
85% of small-scale miners are Galamseyers. What is the source of that data?
So the traceability is what you are putting in place now to identify this and address the challenge.
Did we ever have a conversation about traceability when Kofi Bentil's mentor Bawumia was vice president and he was doing Gold for Oil and Gold for Forex? No, because they were buying gold without any proper institutional and legal framework. That is different from what is happening now under President Mahama. And he has given clear directives, and we are almost done with this track and trace system. But even in the absence of the track and trace system, go to our website. The terms and conditions of our license are clear. We don't buy gold from illegal miners, and we don't deal with illegal miners. We rather, at the time NIMOS was facing challenges with resources, we rather are giving financial and logistical support to NIMOS to go and fight illegal miners. Why will we do that? Can the kingdom divided among itself stand? And then you don't have any evidence, you don't have any data. You come and sit on national television and you throw a figure, which is a figment of your own imagination out there, that 85% of GoldBod gold comes from illegal miners. My attention has been drawn to a false statement that one of your panelists, specifically Mr. Kofi Bentil, has made about the sources of gold purchases of the Ghana GoldBod. I understand that he stated categorically that about 85% of small-scale miners in the country are Galamseyers, and therefore 85% of the gold being purchased by GoldBod by inference is coming from Galamseyers. I want to put on record that that statement is totally false. Mr. Bentil should not be allowed to get away with such falsehood on a very important platform such as Key Points on TV3. For the records, GoldBod is a creature of law. The Ghana GoldBod was established under Act 1140 passed by Parliament in 2025. That law provides for how and where GoldBod must buy gold. And if you read it, you'll find out that GoldBod by law is mandated to only buy gold from licensed miners. We buy gold, and Mr. Kenashibe, who is the head of the Chamber of Mines, will attest to you that there are about 7 large-scale mining companies in Ghana that GoldBod currently buys 20% of their gold. I'm talking about large-scale mining companies. And we buy this gold to shore up our gold reserves. Number 2, when it comes to small-scale miners, the law requires the GoldBod to buy gold or the gold produced by licensed small-scale miners. Now, there are over 2,000 licensed small-scale miners in the country, and that is the primary source of all small-scale gold purchases of the GoldBod. So the GoldBod, by law and by policy, does not deal with illegal miners. We deal with licensed small-scale miners through the Ghana National Association of Small-Scale Miners and the Concerned Small-Scale Miners Association. Now, this is a novelty. This has never happened in the history of Ghana, because since Ghana started producing gold, there has not been any legal and institutional framework that ensures that gold is purchased from licensed miners. So hitherto, you had individual licensees of the PMMC and or the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources buying gold from everybody, irrespective of the source. Then came 2022, when Kofi Bentil's friend, his political mentor, Bawumia, introduced the gold for oil and gold for forex program. I didn't hear Kofi Bentil ask Bawumia and the Bank of Ghana then where they were buying gold from for their gold for oil and gold for forex program. When we decided as a government and as a nation to go into gold purchases, created that legal and institutional framework that mandates us to only buy from licensed miners. Now, to enforce this legal injunction, the president has directed us to do what is provided for under Section 31F of the GoldBod law, which is to establish a full value chain track and trace system. And the process has started, and we have already given timelines that by first quarter of next year, we will have a track and trace system, which has never happened since Ghana became Ghana. And this system will allow us to trace every gram of gold produced in Ghana and purchased by the GoldBod to its origin mine. So Kofi Bentil lied on your show when he said that the GoldBod gets 85% of his gold from illegal miners. It is not true.
So
we get our gold from the over 2,000 licensed miners in Ghana.
There's Sammy Gyamfi you are lie or born argument. Sammy Gyamfi you born argument. Now as much as Sammy Gyamfi air can yeah yati ase. Now so the question me busa ne say what name Mahama why na air can no cray. Every time Mahama I admit it say illegal miners gold near to see illegal miners gold near to Ghana na a benefit. But here's a case that Sammy Gyamfi so clear as a omun to gold from illegal miners. Enti Galamsey for no gold na Mahama so me ati say no at the forming about 60% of gold ya yenya free Ghana hanom no. If Galamsey forms about 60% of tons of gold that you export edeko. It is how gold no. Senior GoldBod and a why and a toss Galamsey for no gold no Ghana hanom. Obet ma chere wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.